Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you the new updates the Schedule 1 creator has announced. Firstly, we've got new zones incoming, a new swampy area, and an upscale neighborhood are being added. Future additions include road systems, slums, and possibly island expansions. There is a future poll planned where players will be able to vote on whether cartel mechanics, police raids, or room upgrades should be developed first. Each option will significantly alter mission structure, strategy, and risk-reward systems. Beds may be removed. Beds will be phased out in favor of more compactful and useful storage systems. Lockers will also be introduced for players to be able to store items. There is also a new property. A lockup style property will be available to manage and organize larger inventories. There are two new products being included, Genim and Gencum. These two new substances are being added for trade and crafting. There's also going to be a Plastic Surgeon edition, a new feature allowing players to change the character's appearance mid-game. The in-game TV and smartphone will also get a new weather forecast feature. This is because there'll be a new weather system. This may affect NPC behaviors, missions, and player planning. There's also going to be a new jukebox feature introduced. This will allow players to customize music within save houses or properties. The new update will also rework how save files function, improving performance and reducing corruption risk. Lastly, but most importantly, Tyler is expanding the team with developers focused on optimization. There's going to be new devs added, and also a version of the game for Steam Deck is planned for a future release. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. Bye guys!